This AI-based account generated over $14,928 in the past month. Additionally, another AI account focused on image storytelling made over $22,146 in just 1 month. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to create a similar themed page effortlessly using AI. While there are numerous YouTube videos on this topic, I guarantee a unique approach. I will provide you with precise marketing and psychological techniques to maximize revenue and growth on your page. Even if you're starting small, whether it's dropshipping or selling digital products, everything can be successful if you know the right strategies. Best of all, this can be achieved at zero cost. I stumbled upon this idea while searching for new money-making methods for my business. The immense success these accounts achieved within a short period astonished me. For example, a seller made over $40K on Etsy in just a few months by selling midjourney arts and prompts. This inspired me to create a similar AI-based business. However, I will enhance the methods to achieve even faster results. Instead of relying on Etsy, which can be slow and take months to see significant outcomes, I will utilize my own creative approaches to boost reach and sales. So get ready to learn a lot from this video. Firstly, we need to select a compelling theme for our page. Simply searching for ideas for social media theme pages won't be effective, as it may recommend niches like fitness or finance, which are not suitable for AI utilization. To identify niches with the highest potential for generating revenue through AI images, we can use a specific prompt in ChatGPT, which incorporates the lifetime value (LVT) concept. Higher LVT indicates better revenue generation opportunities. This prompt will filter out niches where AI images can be posted and offer the most lucrative prospects. Emotional connection plays a crucial role in attracting people to our page. When individuals feel emotionally connected, they are more likely to develop a positive association and be inclined to purchase our products or services. This is exemplified by Johnson's Baby Powder, which generated $1.4 billion in sales last year. Therefore, we will leverage emotional attachment to our advantage. From the generated results, I found AI pet portraits, AI family moments, and AI love stories to be highly emotionally engaging. Out of these, I chose AI family moments and AI love stories as they represent untapped markets in AI with substantial opportunities. To further refine our targeting, I sought specific sub-niches within these categories. The more targeted the audience, the better the chances of quick growth and conversions. From the options, I selected AI maternity and newborns, as well as AI long-distance relationships. These niches meet all the requirements, combining emotional sentiment and a specific but sizable audience, making them easy to convert into sales. Although I was torn between the two, I spun a random wheel and landed on long-distance relationships, which became my choice. While the maternity niche offered better selling potential, I believe both niches can be profitable. The next step is designing prompts for AI image generation. While AI tools can create almost anything from our imagination, it's crucial to provide precise commands for optimal results. Typing long-distance relation on midjourney won't suffice, as it may produce low-quality images. We want visually appealing and engaging images. To achieve this, we can once again rely on AI. By downloading the AI PRM Chrome extension, available on ChatGPT, we gain access to pre-built prompts that guide us through the search on Midjourney. Simply select Midjourney and input the keywords for the images you want to create. After pressing enter, you'll have a comprehensive and descriptive prompt that ensures the creation of highly engaging images. The tool generates 4 different results with various scene settings, providing great flexibility. I copy and paste the first prompt into Midjourney. However, it's worth noting that Midjourney requires a $10 monthly subscription, which might not be feasible for beginners. But don't worry, there's a free alternative. Leonardo AI is another tool that can assist in image generation. Visit their website, launch the app, and log in easily. Select AI generation and paste the prompt obtained from ChatGPT. Click Generate to generate 4 different images. If you find an image you like, click a button to upscale it to a higher resolution, and then download it. I personally used both Midjourney and Leonardo for image generation, and I prefer the creativity of Midjourney images. However, this is subjective, and you can choose based on your own preference. Now, it's time to share these images on social media. While organic attraction takes time to build for images, going viral and gaining followers can be achieved easily through platforms like TikTok and Reels. By following a specific strategy, you can replicate the success of users who have gained millions of views. In our case, we can create a heartwarming story centered around long-distance relationships, capturing the attention of viewers and potentially going viral. Long-distance relationships have a strong appeal in video content, making it easier for them to go viral. Now return to ChatGPT and prompt it to write a story specific to your chosen niche. Keep in mind that the story setting will vary based on the niche, so the prompt I used may not work for you. Review the generated story and make improvements as needed, since it may not be perfect down to the smallest details. Next, visit the 11 Labs website, which offers the best AI voice generator with excellent free plans. The free plan provides 1,000 characters, equivalent to approximately 1428 to 2,500 words, which should be more than sufficient for a month's usage. Copy and paste the script you created into the generator and click Generate. Explore the available voices and select the one you prefer. Once you're satisfied with the voice, download the voiceover. Now head over to Canva and search for TikTok to create a blank template. Upload your images and the downloaded voiceover. Import these elements into the canvas and customize them according to your preferences. Due to time constraints, I won't be able to explain the editing steps in detail, but you can watch a tutorial video on Canva for guidance. Here is the final video I produced. Leah, a solitary soul trapped on the moon's desolate surface, yearned for connection and understanding. Then fate intervened when a watchmaker named Orion discovered her secluded world. Enchanted by Leah's beauty and grace, he incorporated the rhythm of her heartbeat into his watch. This heartwarming and captivating story is suitable for viral sharing. I will upload this video on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Given the popularity of AI-generated dreamy story videos, consistent posting is likely to lead to viral success. There's a significant opportunity in this niche due to the scarcity of similar content on these platforms. Once you have a decent-sized audience, you can start selling your products, whether they are digital or drop-shipped. To generate ideas for products, I returned to ChatGPT. The results provided two appealing options: long-distance touch lamps and love letter templates. I believe the long-distance touch lamp is an excellent dropshipping product. It possesses the qualities required for virality and aligns perfectly with my page's theme. I can include a link to my dropshipping page in my bio, driving sales. Additionally, I can offer a subscription service where viewers receive monthly long-form video stories related to my niche. These subscriptions have significant selling potential, as demonstrated by an account that gained over 1,000 subscribers in just a month, resulting in more than $20,000 in revenue. Such products provide a momentary connection for long-distance lovers, and people are willing to pay a premium for these experiences, benefiting both my earnings and the buyer's satisfaction. Moreover, I can explore print-on-demand options on Etsy, although I have reservations about this method due to market saturation in my niche compared to the other recommended products from ChatGPT. Now, the key is to consistently upload content every day. As always, the more you upload, the faster you'll see results. However, be careful not to overdo it, as burnout can occur quickly. This method is free and requires only about 15 minutes of your day, with minimal costs involved. Speaking of finances, we have none. I will continue posting on my account and share the results in future videos. For now, here are my current outcomes. My videos stand out artistically, setting them apart from others in my niche. I'm highly confident that my page will grow. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep you updated on my progress and sales as this series unfolds.